Yeah, the AKAMICHI Nature Chi pills are amazing. It basically allows Choji to absorb and siphon off of Nature Chi at a rapid, boosted pace. Has set limiters when it comes to, the type of pill. Under Yin. And I also agree, Tsunade is very influential when it comes to, the lore in Ninshu, because she is a pillar. She basically expanded off of Hashirama's affinity, which is wood style, creational life force of Yang Chi. Spliced that under her limiter of Yin and develop, along with Orochimaru, certain pills that stand out when it comes to nin affinities, it's all medical terms, but just as Hagoromo deconstructed Ninshu at its principle, Tsunade and Orochimaru spliced it for physical means in terms of yin and yang, boosting your affinity, boosting your Kekkei Toro, Kekkei blood type, the sleeper pills, Genjutsu pills, booster pills, yin seal pills, yang seal pills, yin release pills, yang release pills, all of these pills. And it goes all the way back to the tuning preliminary stage, the Naraka shrine with Kakashi and Sasuke, him trying to suppress, the curse seal of heavens. He gave him a yin seal pill, These are like, you wouldn't call it omnipotent factors, but just in the creational aspect of Ninshu, this is what Tsunade and Orochimaru was able to do at Sani. Very influential. But going back to the AKAMICHI Nature pills, these are nature pills amplifying Choji to boost his affinity under Yang, boost it up to nature qualities, which would be, i.e., Senjutsu or Senin mode. So, in all honesty, he had to use the pills during his fight with Jorobo because he didn't have growth within his yin cycling of his